Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best tablets for drawing in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 9. Zensilabs Pen Tablet. Artists, illustrators, or photographer looking for a mid-priced graphics tablet that'll work nicely with their Windows or Mac-based computer. This is a multi-purpose art pad with a 10.33 x 5.8 inch, 16:9 aspect ratio workspace. It supports 2 different battery-free and virtually lag-free stylus pens, which are included in the box. Each stylus responds to 8,192 pressure levels and up to 60 degrees of tilt support. The supplied Zensilabs Quick Keys accessory offers colored LED lighting and a manual dial that gives you precise control over things like brush size or zoom. You also get access to programmable buttons that work with dozens of applications. Use the tablet wirelessly or with a USB cable in conjunction with any Windows PC or Mac. Number 8. XP Pen Artist 24 Pro, suitable for professional artists, illustrators, designers, and photographers looking for a drawing tablet with a high-quality display. This drawing tablet has a built-in, 23.8-inch, 2K QHD display. It supports 20 customizable shortcut keys that are found along the outer edges of the device. 2 red dial wheels are also built into the device to give you greater control over certain app-based features, like zooming. The XP Pen is compatible with all of the popular applications. The PA2 stylus supports up to 60 degrees of tilt function. This tablet has an adjustable stand, allowing you to use it on any flat surface while positioning it at the ideal angle. Number 7. Intuos Pro, Wacom PTH 660 for Mac or PC. The professional standard in creative pen tablets. Wacom Intuos Pro sets a new standard for professional graphics tablets. The new Wacom Pro Pen 2 features impressive pressure sensitivity, tilt response, and virtually lag-free tracking. Get natural creative control while you illustrate, edit, or design digitally with Intuos Pro. Individualize your digital workplace. Customizable express keys, touch ring, radial menus, and pen side switches provide easy shortcuts. Multi-touch surface lets you zoom, pan, and navigate. 3 different texture sheets personalize your tablet surface feel. Sold separately. Slim and sleek design. Intuos Pro Art Tablet is super slim and compact. The included Wacom Pro Pen 2 has interchangeable pen tips. A beautiful new pen stand is included. Connect to your PC or Mac with built-in wireless Bluetooth or a USB cable. The standard Intuos Pro and the Paper Edition graphic design tablets are available in medium and large sizes. Accessories: ballpoint pen, fine tip pen, pencil, texture sheets, soft cases, pen nibs, and refills. Resolution: 5080 LPI. Tilt recognition plus or minus 60 levels. Number 6. iPad Pro, best drawing tablets from Apple. You may be asking yourself, how has a non-professional drawing tablet like the iPad Pro managed to end up on a list of tablets for drawing? While it may not be a dedicated drawing tablet, it does come with the Apple Pencil, which boasts pixel-perfect precision. The iPad Pro does not share the pen pressure levels, but they do reveal that it competes with current stylus pens. Tilt sensitivity is supported with the iPad Pro Apple Pencil, but that's it, no rotation. A workaround is to rotate the graphics tablet. With a screen size of 12.9 is easy to do, but not really how an artist draws. Replaceable tips are an option on the Apple Pencil, but you can get one style of tip, nothing to replicate the feel of a brush or more natural drawing tool. Some artists have gone to lengths to change the style of the tip, inspiring creativity, which could lead to more commercial solutions being released in future. Any professional artist will tell you they prefer to be in touch with the canvas, which is hard to do with the iPad's glossy surface. The eraser, which needs a double tap to activate, takes a bit of getting used to. One tip: if you want to use a screen protector, don't go for a glass one, use the paper-like screen protector. Number 5. Wacom One Digital Drawing Tablet. The Wacom One has everything a beginner needs in a drawing tablet, starting from its medium-sized screen all the way to the Wacom One pen. It's easy to use, lightweight, and has a beautiful display, making it the perfect drawing tablet for beginners. The tablet comes with natural surface friction so that you'll feel like you're drawing with pen and paper than on a slippery glass surface. The tablet's parallax is minimal, if there at all, meaning your drawing will be accurate. On top of that, it has a response time of 26 milliseconds for a seamless drawing experience. The tablet gives its users limited free access to some designing software programs like Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, Bamboo Paper Pro, and Clip Studio Paint Pro. Such access is optimal for beginners because they'll be able to experiment with different apps and techniques until they develop their taste. The Wacom One must be connected to a laptop or a computer at all times to operate. The tablet offers multiple connectivity options. In addition to the necessary HDMI and USB ports, the tablet can be connected to certain Android devices using a third-party adapter. Number 4. Wacom Cintiq 22 Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Cintiq 22 is an excellent choice for professional designers or artists who will be using the tablet daily. Its massive display takes the drawing process to a whole new level. The tablet can handle hours and hours of usage without heating up or throttling. You could order an adjustable stand with the tablet to ensure your comfort at all times, with such a large size. There's some parallax, it's distracting. With the tablet's large display, you won't even notice the parallax unless you're looking for it. Besides, its response time is 22 milliseconds, so you'll not be facing any latency while drawing. Like most drawing tablets, the Wacom Cintiq 22 is not a standalone product. You'll have to keep it connected to your laptop or computer at all times. The tablet comes with a 3-in-1 cord that includes power connection and USB and HDMI ports. Number 3. Simban's Picasso Tab 10-inch Drawing Tablet. As an Android tablet, the Simban's Picasso Tab offers other functionalities that no other tablet on this list does. You'll be able to use your drawing tablet as an everyday device, in addition to its drawing capabilities. I'd say it's the best multipurpose drawing tablet on the market. The tablet comes with some pre-installed drawing applications like Autodesk, making it perfect for beginners who aren't aware of where to start. As an Android tablet, it comes with Google Play Store. You can download any application you'd like, and you'll be able to use your tablet for drawing and day-to-day tasks. The tablet comes with a MediaTek MTK 8163 processor and 2 GB of RAM that guarantees a seamless drawing experience with no lag or stutters for an excellent performance. It comes with 32 GB of storage so that you can save your artwork easily. The Picasso Tab is the most portable tablet on the list, with its 5 hours of average battery life being an Android tablet. It's the best drawing tablet if you like working on the go or while traveling. The tablet comes with multiple connectivity options: micro HDMI, USB-C, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Number 2. Huion Canvas 20 Drawing Tablet. Larger screens are a lot more convenient to use, and that's why most artists prefer them. They allow you to see lots of meticulous details on the screen without zooming in and out. If that's what you're looking for, the Huion Canvas 20 should be your next drawing tablet. The drawing tablet comes with an adjustable stand from 20 to 80 degrees, you're guaranteed to find the perfect position that fits your setup. The tablet boasts wide viewing angles, thanks to its IPS display. There's a small bit of parallax, it's nothing noticeable, and it won't impact your drawing experience. To further ensure a seamless experience, the tablet comes with a response time of 25 milliseconds, meaning you'll face no latency. Similar to the Cosmos Pro 16, this is not a standalone tablet. So, you'll have to keep it connected to a laptop or a computer at all times. This shouldn't be an issue, considering its large size. It's not a portable tablet to start with. The Canvas 20 offers an impressive variety of ports, including HDMI, USB, DP, and VGA ports. You have multiple methods of connecting your tablet to your laptop or an external monitor. You've always wanted to be an artist. Channel your creative energy and unleash your inner Picasso with this drawing tablet. Meet the best-selling, most highly rated tablet that has rave reviews. Number 1. Huion Canvas Pro 16 Graphics Drawing Tablet. The Huion Canvas Pro 16 is the best drawing tablet that you can find today. It has everything you might be looking for, from an excellent display with high resolution to minimal parallax and a battery-free pen. It's a tablet you can't go wrong with. A unique feature of the Canvas Pro 16 is that it comes with 6 programmable press keys that you can use as shortcuts for anything you want. It comes with a touch bar that is convenient for adjusting a brush size. The tablet has minimal to no parallax, meaning that the distance between the pen's tip and the display itself is insignificant. When the parallax is noticeable, it can cause errors or decrease accuracy when you're drawing. That's another reason this tablet is my top choice. This is not a standalone device. You'll have to connect it to a computer or a laptop. It has to stay connected to a power outlet, which decreases the tablet's portability. For connectivity, you can connect your tablet to your laptop through HDMI or USB-C, the most common ports in today's laptops.